Meet FastLaunchAPI, a powerful SaaS starter template built on FastAPI, designed to take you from a cloned to production-ready backend in under 30 minutes. It comes fully loaded. GPT authentication, Stripe billing, async emails with Celery, background workers, Dockers, Redis, everything set up and ready to go. Easily manage your FastAPI application with the Swagger UI. You can see all endpoints, the OAuth endpoints for Google Auth or GitHub Auth, for example, verifying your user account, and all other authentication logic. You can see the payment endpoints from getting the products, creating checkout sessions for one-time payments or subscription, canceling the subscription, or managing your billing portal with Stripe. Everything is managed with a beautiful folder structure. You can manage your database, your emails with templates, the reset password templates, the verifying user templates. You can see all routers handling each individual logic. You can see the auth endpoints managed in this file, for example. You can implement your core logic in the core folder, for example, or the payments. You can also easily add more folders handling all logic easily separated. You can see also the beautiful AI integration with OpenAI and LangChain. You can build complex chains using different AI models, and everything is wonderful documented in our documentation. You can go to the database management, for example. You can read for authentication systems, or read how to deploy your application with Docker or on different VPS. So everything is ready for deployment. Start shipping with FastLaunchAPI and start your production SaaS right now. Go to fastlaunchapi.dev and start launching today.